Here's our most recent build. This is a 1975 International Scout 2. Give you a little walk around. Has custom bumpers from GRC Fabrication, a 4-inch lift, 33-inch tires. Soft top from Soft Topper. American Racing aluminum wheels. Super Scout grill. Halo lights by Lumen. All LED lights all the way around. Six-point roll cage. And 3 rows of bench seats. Let's fire it up. Turn the key, push the button. Custom sound system. Show you the motor. Hard to do with one hand. Here we got a Hamilton fuel injection. On the 345 V8, that's the original motor to this truck. It's been rebuilt. Show you how the halo lights look. LEDs. That's when you're just running the halos. These Hamilton fuel injection kits come with a tune already on them. Fires up every time. You don't have to pump the gas pedal like with a carburetor. There's your fuel pump for the fuel injection. True dual exhaust out the back. Nice low deep rumble, sounds beautiful, but won't wake up the neighbors. Thanks for watching.